I am Vicky Slade. I am one of the Collections and Engagement Managers here at Leamington Spa Arts Gallery and Museum, which is set within the Royal Pump Rooms. So the Water Everywhere exhibition explores the history and stories of swimming here at the Royal Pump Rooms. This exhibition is using objects, artworks and stories from our collection to explore that part of the building's history. There are lots of different ways we're telling these stories through audio-visual displays, digital presentations, and VR is just another tool that we wanted to use to interpret the history of the building in an exciting way for our visitors.
Chloe Johnson, Collections and Engagement Manager at Leamington Spa Art Gallery and Museum. So the process of creating this film was an exciting one for us. We wanted to use VR within the display, but we were very keen to really make the most of the opportunities that gave us. And we felt that by using VR, we were able to take our audiences into spaces that they wouldn't otherwise be able to experience when they come and visit the exhibition. You can see Victoria working in her studio, and then we took her into the art store. Now, the significance of that was that she had created collages that are based on each of the areas of the building. And each collage shows lots of the characters who appeared in those spaces through history. But because we were in lockdown, she was not able to access the art store, neither were we during that period. And so she was working on the project using images, but not actually having seen the real works. And so what we were able to capture was her creating the collages first, but then the moment when we went together into the art store and she actually saw the pictures that she had been working from in reality for the first time. And so that was a really special experience, and to be able to capture that on film and share that has been really important for us. So we've had really interesting feedback about this. It's the first time we have tried to include something like this within a display. People who have tried it have all enjoyed it. It's also been really nice because, well, for example, I've got young children and they tried it, and I have been able to say categorically that they engaged with that material in a really different way to the way they would have done if they had simply watched a film that was on a monitor. And I know that my daughter actually she could recite back so much of the history having watched it in that way, which she just wouldn't have taken in any other way. So it's been really, really exciting to see how people are engaging in a very different way, and I would love to do this again.
So visitors can come and visit Water Everywhere and try out the immersive VR experience at Leamington Spa Arts Gallery and Museum in the Royal Pump Rooms, and we're open until March 2024.